So here you will be going to understand the conversion from infix to prefix. Infix means you will be getting the elements, you will be seeing the operators in between the operands. This is a given string, okay? Now we need to prefix the conversion of the expression. So what you should keep in mind, whenever a symbol has been come, you will be placing it as it is. If at all you will be encountering an operator, that will be placing into the stack, okay? So this is the given expression a plus b minus c. We are converting it into prefix. So this is the resultant stack, resultant expression, and this is our stack for holding the operators into it. So first of all, the given expression is a plus b minus c. So given symbol is c. So c remains as it is into the prefix, okay? Minus has been encountered, minus we are pushing into the stack. So prefix remains as it is. Next expression, next element is b. So it is an operand. It will be moved into the prefix, okay? And stack remains as it is. Next element is plus. It's an operator. We are pushing it into the stack. So stack has now plus, minus and plus, both of them. Next, we encounter the element to be an operand a. So that we are moving it into the prefix string. So no more strings are available, no more elements are available, symbols are available. Now we need to empty our stack. What is the first top of the stack is plus. So plus has to be removed first. So plus came, and after that remaining element into the stack is minus. So minus came. Okay. So likewise, we are converting elements from infix to prefix. That means pre means first the operators will be fixed before the expression. Next, the conversion is for postfix to infix. How we are going to apply? The steps help us to understand how to make the conversions. First of all, we will be scanning the given expression from left to right. If at all any of the brackets are there, you will be placing them as it is, okay, into the stack. If at all any operators are there, we'll push them into the stack. If at all any closing bracket also encountered, we will be popping out all the elements from the stack. Same process follows here, but how it differs is postfix to infix, okay? And the last step, we will be repeating the step 2 and 3. Let me explain you the process here with the help of an example. This is our empty stack. Nothing is available right now. Given expression is in the postfix form. Postfix means all the elements will be there, followed by the operators. Operands followed by the operators. Our aim is to get it into the infix. So how we will send them into the infix is, whatever the elements has been encountered, previously I explained you step by step. We will be following these steps only for converting it. But now our aim is to convert it into prefix to infix, right? Reverse of this. So similarly, reverse of that one, postfix to infix. So if at all any operator has been encountered, we will place it into the stack. If at all any operand has been encountered, we will place them directly into the expression. So first we have encountered plus will be moving into the stack. We encountered multiplication symbol, that will also be sent or pushed into the stack. Then we have seen C. C is an operand that will be sent directly onto the expression. Okay. Then we found another variable or we can say as an operand that we need not send into the stack, but as the resultant into the infix, we need to pop out the next element. Okay. So the next element available into the stack is multiplication. So it came outside. The next operand available over here is B. So B need not be sent into the stack. It will be directly sent into the infix expression. Now, there is no other operator available, directly operand is available. So whatever the leftover operand is there in this, that is plus, So we will be popping out the plus first, and finally the leftover operand is A that came over here, and this is how we are converting from postfix to infix. What you should remember here, only the operators will be sent into the stack, and as soon as you have encountered the first variable or the operand, that will be sent directly into the infix. As soon as you're encountering the next operand, you need to first pop out the available operators. So this is how first multiplication came outside from the stack and it has fixed beside C. As you encountered next operand B, you will be affixing it directly to the infix expression. Next, we have not encountered any of the operators here, so we will be popping out the plus from here. It will be fixing there, and finally the leftover operand came. So this is the conversion for postfix to infix. Next, we will see the conversion from postfix to prefix now. Post means all the given in the given expression, like our previous slide, you have seen postfix means the given expression will be in this format only, to prefix now. In the resultant, all the operators will be first, followed by the operands. You see here, in this given example, the given expression is in the postfix form. Postfix means what you should remember, all the operators will be at the end of the operands. This is the given expression. We have to give the result in the prefix form. So aim is what? How we should follow? What are the steps to be followed? First, you should look into the whole and sole expression from left to right. If the scanned symbol is an operand, then push it into the stack. What we are going to push now into the stack? Operands rather than operators. As soon as you encounter an operator, pop out the elements from the stack and create the string. Okay. So what you are doing here is, we are inputting now operands into the stack and we are popping out. So plus is there. As our aim is to send this into the stack,